Hello and welcome back to my channel. In the heart of the Zulu culture, there is a ceremony that marks a young woman's transition into adulthood, a celebration of pride, identity, and family. And this ceremony is Umemulo. So join me as we explore the beauty, meaning, and traditions of this special occasion. And please also note that this tradition can be done differently depending on which region you are from or which province you are from. And also, it could be different due to modernization. So, Umemulo is a traditional Zulu coming of age ceremony for a young woman, typically held when they turn 21. And please note that this part too, it will differ from family to family or region to region. It symbolizes maturity, purity, and readiness for greater responsibilities in life. But more than that, it's a deeply significant cultural event, a moment of honor for both the young woman and her family. Traditionally, Umemulo was a way for parents to show gratitude to their daughter for respecting cultural values, preserving her dignity, and reaching adulthood with pride. It also serves as a way of blessing her future, whether she chooses to marry or focus on her personal journey. The ceremony is not just for young women, it brings together family, the community, and even ancestors through traditional rituals. Umemulo requires months of preparations. Families gather resources, buy gifts, and prepare traditional attires. A key part of the ceremony is the spear, umkhonto, a symbol of strength and purity that the young woman receives on this day. Traditional food is also prepared, including inyama yenkomo, idombolo, and of course, traditional Zulu beer. On the big day, the woman is dressed in beautiful Zulu attire, including colorful beads and headdress. She performs a ceremonial dance and is gifted with some money that is placed by her elders on the head, and friends too do gift her. This represents prosperity and brighter future. The family slaughters a cow as an offering to the ancestors, asking for their blessing and protection. The spear giving ritual is one of the most emotional moments, symbolizing that she is now a respected woman. After the rituals, the next celebration begins. Singing, dancing, and traditional performances bring joy to the occasion. Over time, Umemulo has evolved. While some families still follow strict traditions, others add modern element to it, like they would have a cake there, themed decorations, and then there will be a change of outfits, etc. No matter how it's done, the heart of Umemulo remains the same, celebrating a young woman's journey into adulthood. Umemulo is a powerful reminder of the importance of culture, family, and honoring traditions. Now I would love to know, have you ever attended Umemulo? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Or you could share how was your experience of Umemulo if you have heard Umemulo. We have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cultural insights, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a story. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Ngiyabonga.